May I now have your attention, please? Christmas Day is drawing near. Santa Claus will soon appear. That's all. Now give me a present. Hold on.
Mao na ni Dre.
See the magic snowfall? Santa has gifts for all.
Mananis lang pangaon, guys. Mananis lang pangaon.
So I'll get as many presents as the number of times I can pour. I have to get ready.
Hello.
Oh wow! Look at all
Amas Andre.
we have here.
Let me wish everyone a
Guys, mao ning mga anak ni Chimchim na eh. Kanang ng gablo o kani kanira akong last nga anak Israel kaning stripe
ton of them.
kana mga anak ng Chimchim na pay usa ang usa na adik sa gawas kay oh dili mag-away lagi away
Christmas Day.
day away kay day kuya day
But I am already here.
Food. And we hustle in the mood.
Good girl. Here you go. Let's see. And do you have anything to show me?
duwa mo ipabarog yan pa pabarog
That is wonderful. Now it's time for a present.
1 second, please. I have something else to show you.
All right, this one is for...
And this is just the beginning.
ilang gitanaw ay murag ka ng mga kuan ba